So what I'm going to do is slide these two boxes together and everybody watch what happened with the buildings. Okay, so do you see what happened with these ones over here? They all pushed up a little bit. So this might not look that great in this box, but what if it was your town that pushed up a little bit? It's kind of a big deal. All right, so then we're going to take a look at the one that pulls apart. Does anybody know what it's called? Divergent. Excellent. Okay, so here we go. We're pulling apart.
Oh, dude, Lynette, I think that's you.
Yeah, whose house is dead? Somebody's house is dead. So there's quite a bit of damage that just happened. Houses just fell over. So thanks everybody. You guys can sit down.
It's a lot, Courtney.
Yeah.
Put me on the fault line.
I don't really know. Putting me on the fault line. Okay,
You should have placed your own.
so that's kind of a silly example, but we can see clearly how you might not think it's that big of a deal to live on a fault line, but if your house falls into a hole, it's kind of a big deal. The other thing that we need to talk about, or lots of people do talk about with earthquake, is seismic activity. Has anybody heard that word before? Seismic activity? Yes? Okay, well what it means is the movement of the earth, how the earth moves. And we've always wanted to measure how the earth is moving so we can try and predict when a big quake is going to happen. And so the way that we do that is with a machine called a seismograph. And so this has this big sheet of paper, and it has a little needle right here, and this picture isn't real easy to see, but there's a needle on it that's very, very sensitive. And if you were to jump next to it, it would freak out. And so it feels the ground, and it knows when to move if the ground is moving. And then this is not that easy to read. Not everybody just walks up and says, hey, this is what's going on. So Richter invented a scale to help us understand what this graph is saying to us. So I'm going to show you how the Richter scale is rated. Have you guys heard of the Richter scale before?
Yeah.
Okay. So the Richter scale is on a scale from 1 to 10, because those are all numbers that we can understand. So if this, we'll say that this is the Richter scale.